In 1976 is when we moved to Washington State, and I was a young boy, and I worked on the farm. And yeah, my dad at 7 years old had me on the tractor. And so I grew up on a farm, I was used to that. And I was working for a company called Soil Test Farm Consultants, and I was offered a job to sell insurance. And my dad was really worried about selling insurance. He says, "Are you sure about that?" I said, "Yeah." And he said, "Son, you just gotta promise me something. You gotta promise me that you'll never forget what it's like to be the farmer." And I've never forgot about that. To be a farmer, these poor farmers, it's tough. They are struggling. And so I try to always remember that, what my dad said. Farmers, their margins are so slim already. They're just making such little. And the fertilizer costs are high, the labor costs are high. And so farmers, that little margin, it doesn't take much to not make any money. And potatoes is one of those crops that's really tough. Any little thing, and they're now losing money. Most people don't know that they can lose money quickly. And so they're really worried about their market and their prices. And so for insurance, I can help them with that. I help them with two policies. Multi-Peril, where it guarantees their yield if they have any yield problems. And there's another policy called Whole Farm Revenue, where it guarantees their revenue. So either side, they could lose on either side, and I can help them on both sides. Last year, there was a farmer that I have had for a long time, and the prices for apples were just not very good. And it wasn't the farmer's fault. He had really good product. Got it to the market, but the prices were so low, and I was able to pay him a claim check. And then to come back later and deliver that claim check to him, and he said, "Paul, you saved my farm with this." That's what makes me happy. That's what makes me love my job. I do what I do because I truly can help save a farmer.